All right, y'all. First trade recap. I ain't gonna cap. I'm a little late on it. But this is for March. This is March 2nd Asia session. I'm gonna go over how I could have took a dub, but I ended up down 500. I'm gonna be honest. I broke all my rules, and that rule is to make sure my trade aligns with my bias, right? So that didn't happen, right? The trade I took, I wanted buys. I wanted buys into this unfilled 5 minute right here. I wanted buys into that unfilled 5 minute, and then I went to the 15 minute, and I also wanted to see some good buys into that as well. So the 15 minute would have been my main target. Overall, on the day, on this 15 minute time frame, I see this small fair value gap holding, going to the 1 hour. I like the fact that we're just pushing straight up. Only thing I don't like is this massive 1 hour fair value gap, but I don't expect it to hold until these 15 minutes hit. So, and as I thought, what did price do? Price ripped. It ripped all the way to the 15 minute, but I still wanted buys. And what happened was, if you know my strategy, I like to take an inverse once price comes near my channel, it touches it. So what happened? Price inversed here, and then it went through my channel. And for some reason, this part was missing. It did not allow my bias. My higher time frame draw, I guess I was gonna use this as it. Like, I don't know what I had going on. So I was gonna use this as a draw. The high time frame draw was not a good draw. We did get a touch, the indicator, but it wasn't the type of touch I'm usually like used to. Like, I know a good setup when I see it, and this just wasn't it. And to be honest, I took it anyway. I have no idea why, but I think I took it about 4 micros. Yep, risking around that. My main target was down here, this first one, and this one down here. And I have no idea why I took that, bro, because I ended up losing. And then what I originally wanted to see was a buy. And what did we get here? We swept that low. And after that, we hit this fair value gap and we inversed this little fair value gap right here. And this right here is what I wanted to see since I came on the charts. So by this time, I was already down 500. Yeah, I was already down 500. Nothing I could do about it. Lock myself out. And what I usually do first is look for the 1-on-1. And depending on how price is moving, I either close partials or I just let the trade run. So my stop loss is like right here. So this is my 1-on-1. And I was interested right here in this unfilled 5 minute. And this is what it did. Ended up going right to that unfilled 5 minute and started ranging. And yeah, I don't know why I took that setup. That setup was trash. Like, the setup I originally took was so trash. This was the better setup, even though I only went for a good 1-on-1 before it started consolidating. Like, this right here was the better setup, honestly. But, you live, you learn. I locked myself up. I couldn't tilt no more or anything. Everything was off the table. Risk, everything was done for. Didn't even matter. I just came back the next day, and I traded. And that's what y'all gonna see in this next recap. Since I was late, I'm doing this on the same night as March 3rd. Yep. So, look, y'all finna see what I take in this next trade recap. See y'all, man.